In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the quantity on an eBay listing. Let's get started by visiting the eBay website. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to eBay's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the sign in option. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. If you haven't already signed in, the website will prompt you to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see My eBay. This is your personal dashboard and serves as a gateway to managing your listings, among other things. Once you're in My eBay, find the Selling section. Clicking on Selling will open up a page where you can manage your current sales activity. Here, you want to look for a tab labeled Active. This tab displays all of your current listings that are available for purchase. Clicking on the Active tab will give you a comprehensive list of all your active listings. Although this is a demonstration, in a live scenario, you'll see a list of items you're currently selling. From this list, locate the specific listing whose quantity you need to adjust. After finding the right listing, you'll notice an option to edit it. This can be done either through a drop-down menu specific to each listing, or by using bulk edit options if you have multiple listings to modify. Once you're in the editing section, you'll be presented with various details about the listing. For this task, you'll want to focus on the quantity field. Change the number to reflect the new quantity you wish to make available. Make sure that the number you input is accurate, as this will be displayed to potential buyers. With your new quantity entered, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save or Submit Changes button, typically located at the bottom or top of the editing page. Click this button to apply your changes. After hitting save, take a moment to confirm that the update has been successfully applied. It's always a good idea to double check that your changes are reflected correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the quantity of an item in your eBay listing. This straightforward task can be repeated anytime you need to manage your inventory levels on eBay. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore eBay's help resources or community forums for additional support. Happy selling!